Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Writing 2. I'm your instructor Chris. I wanted to give you a quick overview on how to navigate the course and also a look at our first week of activities. And it's important to get started early each module week. We don't meet via Zoom till the end of the week, so you can't wait until the end of the week to get started. For the first week, we have 3 discussion activities to complete. And your first post for each discussion is due by Friday, and a response post for each discussion is due by Sunday. You want to start at the course home, give you a look at navigating. Here you'll find a calendar and some announcements for each week. Note that the calendar doesn't include the discussions, which are due each Friday and Sunday. The course home, the syllabus gives you a good overview of the course content, the scoring for the assignments, and some helpful links to more information and videos. So definitely look through the syllabus. Content is a tab where most of the information will be available that you'll want to access. Ask the professor is a way to contact me. Also contact me through email. I usually get to that the quickest because it goes right to my phone. Student Resource Center has some excellent resources to improve your professional and academic writing. I definitely recommend the APA style link. There's a lot of information that'll be helpful there, and some sample papers to show you how to format your paper. You definitely want to familiarize yourself with this left side menu. Week 1 is where, it's the Zoom meeting information. So the Tuesday at the end of the first week we'll be meeting, and this you can find a link to the Zoom meeting on here, and if you click that, that'll get you to the Zoom meeting. You want to familiarize yourself with Zoom so you know how to mute yourself, how to use your video if you want to, and things like that. You may need your passcode too. Here's the passcode for that. And these are the dates we'll be meeting. We'll be meeting at 6:30 because we're not meeting face-to-face this time. Well, we are via Zoom, but not in classroom setting. So click on week 1, and that'll give you an overview of our learning outcomes for the week, or resources, activities, and assignments. Read them over. Scroll down the page, see all the things that you need to look at during the week. I recommend tackling at least one item each time you log in, beginning on Wednesday, which is the first day of the academic week. Please get into a routine to complete the discussion activities, which are valuable learning opportunities for you, and completing them will definitely improve your overall score. This discussion includes a look at the grading rubric on how I will score your discussion posts. And there's 3 of those this week. The last one is an academic integrity, and you do not need to do a response for that one, because that you'll just look over the material and then cut and paste this pledge and add your name to it to complete that discussion. We'll also have some grammar each week, so that's a grammar lab to look through. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to working with you and seeing you on Zoom on Tuesdays.